Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your T3 Arena account. If you no longer want to play T3 Arena or want to restart from scratch, you can delete your account easily. Remember that deleting your T3 Arena account will remove your progress, linked data, and in-game information permanently, so make sure this is what you want before proceeding. If you want this, then first of all launch the T3 app open on your device and wait for the game to fully load into the home screen. Once you are in the home screen that looks like this, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Options. After you get to this options page, click on Account from the bottom left. Make sure you're into Account Info section and click on Delete Account right next to your current account information. Now, go through the information first and then click on this little circle at the bottom to ensure you have read and confirmed that you meet the cancellation condition. Just make sure to go through these information and click on Next Step. Read another page and do the same for this. And now, go ahead and click on Confirm to submit, ensuring that you are ready to cancel your account. And then, your account deletion request has been submitted. The cancellation will be completed on the provided date over here in red. Account cancellation has a 15 days cooldown period. After the cooldown period has been completed, the account will be completely deleted. That's how you easily delete or request to delete your T3 Arena account. Once deletion is confirmed, you can uninstall the T3 Arena from your device to free up spaces. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.